This is Nokia Lumia 530 from 2014. So this is the first ever smartphone in our home. I mean, we had touch phones but not a smartphone. You can see this is just a touch phone. It doesn't have any internet or multitasking features. And I even had the box with me. So this is the box. This is a dual SIM phone. You can see that in the model. Nokia Lumia 530 dual SIM. So on the battery swollen, it's a common thing back then. So I ordered a new battery for this phone, and let's see this thing will work or not. It is little loose here, it will fall. So what I will do is I'll keep a little paper here so it will. Okay, I forgot to tell you one more thing. We lost the buttons, volume rockers and power on button, so it turned on for some reason. So you can see the screen burn issue that this phone has, but anyway this works. So I'll tell you one interesting thing in the last. I mean, you can see right here what this was recording with. SIM error, but the touch is working, touch response is working. Yes, let me increase the brightness. It seems all bluish, but touch is fine. You can see some things right here. Let's take another picture and one more picture of what we are doing right now. This video is being recorded on Nokia Lumia 820. This is being shot on Nokia Lumia 820. You can see that right here. That's the thing.